In this video, we want to evaluate the indefinite integral, square root of 1 plus square root of x all over x dx. This is a nested radical, so you have a square root of 1 plus the square root of x. So to do this, we must use u substitution. So a good candidate is to use u is equal to the square root of 1 plus square root of x. That means when I square both sides, u squared is 1 plus square root of x. And so now I can solve for square root of x to be u squared minus 1. And then if I square both sides, x is equal to u squared minus 1 quantity squared. So now dx I can solve for is using the chain rule is 2 times u squared minus 1 times 2u, but these two are going to make 4. So it's 4u times u squared minus 1 du. So now we can replace it. Recall that this was square root of 1 plus square root of x, and this was x dx. So this whole thing was over here. That's u. X, we said, is this, u squared minus 1 quantity squared. And then dx is 4u u squared minus 1 du. So that's kind of what this step is right here. So if we multiply, we have u times 4u is 4u squared times u squared minus 1 over u squared minus 1 squared. These are going to cancel. So I'm left with 4u squared over u squared minus 1 du. So that's what we need to integrate right now. For this, we can perform polynomial division, or you could be clever and say that this is the same thing as u squared minus 1 plus 1 over u squared minus 1. And so you break it up into 2 fractions and get 1 plus 1 over u squared minus 1. So this will be an alternative way to doing it, doing this step right here. But remember, there's a 4 in front, so you have to multiply everything by 4. So this reduces to integrating 4 plus 4 over u squared minus 1. 4 comes out. And then we break it up into 2 integrals, so you can think of this as 4 times the integral of 1 du plus 4 times the integral 1 over u squared minus 1 du. So the first one is easy. That's just 4u. And then the second one, you have to use partial fraction decomposition. But essentially what that equals is 1/2 times quantity 1 over u minus 1 minus 1 over u plus 1. So if I multiply everything by 4, the 1/2 times 4 becomes a 2, and that's natural log u minus 1 minus natural log u plus 1. And then you can combine these using the log property to get 2 natural log absolute value of u minus 1 over u plus 1. So now we want to combine the results because we had 2 different integrals here, and then substitute it back. So the 2 results were the 4u plus 2 natural log absolute value u minus 1 over u plus 1 plus a constant c. But remember, u was the square root of 1 plus square root of x. So replacing that, we get this as our final answer.